All right. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining on this another live stream today. So this is the 30th of July on Friday. So happy Friday, everyone. I hope you're having a great day today as well. So for myself, I have been quite busy today, and I only looked at the chart this morning. And afterwards, I was a bit busy with meetings and all these other things. And this is my second time for today watching the chart. So let me screen the pairs and see what's happening, which one's trending and ranging as per Ichimoku confirmations. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Let's get started. So finally, I have a new camera. I think do I look more clear in the picture? It's a new camera, so hopefully my face is a bit brighter. Before previous camera, my face was a bit too dark because outside is too bright. But hopefully this time it's okay. It's better quality. Yeah, and also I've got this internet cable directly connected to the PC. Before I was using the Wi-Fi, but here from today I started to use this connection with Ethernet cable. So hopefully the live stream also becomes more stable in that sense. Okay, so let's squeeze my face and let's see who's here. All right, RSI and Monday, Gabby, thank you for joining, and Team Music, Mirajul and David Kishan, thank you for joining as well, and Juan, Ryan, Gustavo, Movie Hero, Subar, and Everdream, Maru, and Dinish. Monday, thank you for joining. Very good. Thank you for joining. Okay, so yeah, looks like we're good. So before starting here, just a quick disclaimer. This information today is basically based on my experience and knowledge. So when you take trades, please do within risk management. And also, if you can follow the guidelines and rules on this live stream, that would be great. Okay, so yeah, let's check some charts now. Let's see. So first of all, I will cover some of the Forex pairs, starting from the Euro USD. Euro USD, this is a daily chart and looks like this is ranging. It's flat right now. The Kumo flat and Kijun Sen is flat right now, and Chikou span technically below the candles, but since the price already went above the Kijun Sen, this is kind of ranging now. We might see uptrend in the lower time frames, but as per daily chart, this is retracing heavily into the range, and looks like the market is resisted at the previous resistance level of 1.1896. So it might retrace backwards, or it might go up, and we don't know which way it's going. So simply, in this case, I stay away from this condition. So that's one. And let's see. Let me check. Euro AUD looks good today. This is continuously bullish right now. So let me mark this one, Euro AUD. As daily chart is now bullish, and let me cancel all the other pairs. So yeah, Euro AUD daily chart looks to be a nice uptrend. Now we have the Kumo's up, and Kijun Sen up, Tenkan Sen up also, and price has been above the Tenkan Sen. Chikou span also above the candles, and this is very nice. This is a nice uptrend so far. And the market is about to break the resistance level. So let me look into the lower time frame. Let's see. As per 1 hour chart, the market has been retracing backwards, but still it is above the Kijun Sen. So we might see Kijun Sen bounce and continuously uptrend. Chikou span above the candle still, so this is still bullish. But once you see the Kijun Sen breakout, then you don't look for the buy chance anymore. Yeah, I think the retracement is a bit heavy, so I think it's better to stay away. Previous candlestick was doji, and it looks like doji candle breakout happened bearish. So looks like the market is reaching back to the Kijun-sen in this case. So in this very short term, I would say that this is downtrend. So in that sense also, this is not a good timing to look for buy. Yeah, let's see. Okay, let's see. Oh, the audio and video are not are out of sync. Oh, okay. Maybe I will check that one later. As I monitor right now on this live stream system looks good, but I have to check again afterwards. All right, Kishore, World Tracker, and Finantis, thank you for joining. Tyler, Dauda, and Zar, Arara, good to see you. All right. Okay. All right, I will check gold. So let me check gold. Maybe we're gonna focus on gold today and see what's really happening in this market. It was uptrend, but let me see. Okay, so looks like the gold has been moving up, but now it's retracing today. This is an inside bar. If I just cancel the Ichimoku, this is an inside. So yeah, technically we have to wait for the breakout of the resistance level at over here at 1832.171 and buy. Yeah, we have to wait for the market to break the resistance level or resistance zone in this area and break out and then look for buy. Otherwise, it can be still in the range retracing. Looks like it is retracing backwards now. So let me check the 1 hour chart. Okay, in 1 hour chart, it's been retracing backwards too. The market has been on the reversed N waves. So this is bearish. It's bearish. And in terms of Ichimoku lines, the price is below the Kijun-sen, Chikou span touching the past candles, and Kumo flat. So this is not a market to be in. Yeah, I would wait until the market comes above the Kijun-sen. But even so, I think Chikou span will be still with the candles. So yeah, most likely in this case, we better wait until the market breaks the resistance levels, 1834, 1832. We have to wait for the breakout. Otherwise, it could be still in the range, or it might go back to the Kumo. Yeah, this is not a good timing to buy yet. Yeah, so we have to be very precise on which market to trade, which market not to trade. So, and this is not a good market to trade for me. Let me see. In the forward chart, it's yeah, this is also a bit retracing. The Kumo's up, but the Kijun-sen is flat. So yeah, the market can drop all the way down to Kijun-sen in this example. There was a previous resistance here too. So looks like it's going down right now. I don't see any sign of reversal, sign of uptrend. So yeah, most likely I would wait for another good chance to buy. So yeah, let's come back to some Forex pairs. What about Euro-Pound? Euro-Pound is at the support level, but unless it breaks, it could be still consolidating or ranging, retracing. So not a good timing yet. EURCHF is a bit bearish, but still it's going up. The market reached back to the Kijun-sen. So yeah, in the middle time frame, for sure it's flat. So this one is not a good one to sell yet. Let's see. Euro CAD is completely in the range, so no trade. Euro Swiss franc looks good. Euro Swiss franc still downtrending, so I mark this one as a red. the Kumo down, Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen down, Chikou span below the candles, and just make sure that there is a support level. The previous support is at 1.0749, and it looks like this is going to be the initial target. And if it drops down, it's going to be 15 pips only. 15 pips is a bit too tight to follow, so yeah, to be safer, you want to wait for the breakout at that level and continue to go down to the second previous support, which is going to be at this level, 1.0735. But yeah, in this downtrend, potentially the market drops down in this range. So yeah, if that will be the target, then I think that will be good to sell. Otherwise, stay away. Otherwise, yeah, not really a good timing, because the support is too close right now. And also, since this is a Swiss franc pair, you know, sometimes Swiss franc pairs in the lower time frames are a bit kind of spiky and tricky. So yeah, usually I take the Swiss franc pairs as a low priority to trade. So if I find other trending pairs, then I go for it. And if I find only Swiss franc pair to be trending, then I take it. So let's check some other markets now. All right, so once again, thank you for joining. Very good to see you, everyone. All right, World Tracker says the pairs are more or less trending. Yeah, it's the market is losing the volatility now. But we had some nice trends this week on pound and AUD, JPY, and USD. We had some nice trend pairs. So hopefully you are able to capture these trends this week, or last week also. It was a bit nice. Okay, USD JPY is completely in the range. The price is right now exactly in the Kumo. So this is not a good timing to buy or sell. Yeah, Kumo's too tiny, too flat on the daily chart. So it will be tricky. We have these candlesticks are bullish and bearish combinations consecutive. So this is a very spiky and tricky market to be in. Let's see. USD Swiss franc is also retracing and ranging now. Since until yesterday, this was a nice downtrend, but today it's retracing backwards. And I was actually mentioning about this pair yesterday, and talking about the potential target by Fibonacci extension. So looks like the market broke the extension level on this 5-minute chart, and afterwards it went backwards. And then now this is in the range. So if you don't see any trending market, then stay away. This is very tricky market. It went all the way up to the previous resistance level, support level, and made double top and shoot it down all the way and broke the previous support, but soon it went upwards. Yeah, so simply if you see this kind of market pattern, this is very tricky. It's not really stable trending, so I think it might be difficult to capture the direction, or it might be difficult to ride in the trend direction. And usually Swiss franc pairs are like this, and also New Zealand too. Okay, let's see. Orania says, can you explain Euro AUD? After the breakout, not a stable uptrend. All right, let me check the Euro AUD now. So yeah, Euro AUD on the daily chart, this is uptrend right now. Yeah, the Kumo's up, Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen up, and Chikou span above the candles. and it looks like the market has been resisted by the previous resistance and now retracing backwards. And if you see 1 hour chart, this is now flat. You see flat Kumo, flat Kijun Sen, and it looks like the market is retracing backwards to the Kijun Sen level. So I say this is not a good time to buy it. We have to wait until the Kumo goes up, Kumo turns up, and Kijun Sen turns upwards, and then look for buy chance. Otherwise, it drops down to Kijun Sen, and if it breaks, then that will come down to the Kumo. And you see retracement for the last couple of hours now. So, yeah, not a good time to buy it in this case. There was a nice breakout of the resistance level here at this level, 1.61002 level. After that, just retracing backwards. So, yeah, it's possible that the market retraces back to the previous resistance levels as well as this Kijun Sen, and then bounce back up and continuously go up in this direction. That's one of the scenario that you can create. So let's see what else we can find. So I have no positions right now, so I'm kind of relaxed today to just share some views about the markets. If I have some positions, then I kind of think about it while I do the live stream, but today no position, so yeah, I'm just relaxed right now. Let's see, pound USD is ranging as per 1 hour chart. Daily chart is going back to the Kumo, resisted by this Kumo Senko span B, and today's bearish. Looks like almost all the markets are retracing or ranging, so I think today's not a good day to look for any edge. I think yeah, pound AUD looks good too. Pound AUD is bullish on the daily chart. Let me go down to 1 hour chart, and this is also retracing backwards, just like Euro AUD, retracing for the last 4 hours back to the previous resistance level, but from here we might see uptrend, so we'll see if it happens. All right, pound CAD is ranging now as per daily chart, no trend. Pound Swiss franc is also, yeah, it's ranging, I would say. It's bearish, the Kumo down, Kijun Sen down, it's bearish, but in terms of these candles, these are very tricky. It's going sideways, the candlestick are going sideways, and too many wicks up and downwards. Very tricky market. So even if we see downtrend, it might spike up anytime soon. So I would avoid from this pair. AUD USD is also flat ranging now, still bearish. There is a reversal line at 0.7410. So it might be resisted and go down this way in the long run. So we'll see. Okay, AUDCAD is nice also. AUDCAD is bearish, broke the support, and Kumo down, Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen down, Chikou span below the candles, and this is also a nice downtrend. Let me check the 1 hour chart. Okay, in 1 hour chart, this is also bearish, it's going down. And the price has been consolidating right now, so it might retrace back to Tenkan Sen or Kijun Sen when you see Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen flat like this. So yeah, just be careful for the retracement and look for the sell chance, or simply wait until the Kumo, Kijun Sen point down and look for sell chance to be safer. But AUDCAD is also a nice one to look for this continuous downtrend. And let's see, AUDJPY is also ranging flat. AUD Swiss franc is also good. Looks like AUD pairs are good today. AUD is, I think, weak, so this is going bearish now also. Let's see, in 1 hour chart this is also down too. Yeah, in 1 hour chart it broke the support and now it's going bearish. So the market has been consolidating, but when the market touches the Kijun Sen, it might be pushed down this way. Or before the market hits the Kijun Sen, this bearish can happen. So yeah, I think this one we can look for the sell chance. Okay, CHFJPY is now back into the range as per daily chart. For the last 3 days it's been bullish, but now the price is in between Kijun Sen and Kumo in the daily chart, so it's not really good market to be in. And CAD Swiss franc is also retracing, ranging. And Swiss franc JPY is bullish. It broke the previous resistance level, so looks like this is turning bullish. So we might see uptrend in the lower time frame. So let me check the forward chart. Okay, in the forward chart, this is bullish. It's been consecutive bullish in the waves. So this is good. This is, I think, the good one to look for the buy chance. So I will just mark a Swiss franc JPY as orange because this is up in the forward chart. So yeah, today at this moment, as I screen all these 21 pairs, Euro AUD, Euro Swiss franc, Pound AUD, and AUD CAD, AUD Swiss franc are good for daily chart, and Swiss franc JPY is good for the forward chart trend. Okay, so yeah, let me come back to some comments now. Kakero says there is not much trend on all the markets, especially Pound USD. Yeah, Pound USD was ranging today, so we better focus on other trending pairs at the moment. Yeah, I think this is yeah, a bit. I think the trend is not really strong at the moment, so yeah. Orca says, I have two positions, AUDCAD and Euro Swiss franc, both have running pips. So, and in terms of the exit timings, you can exit when the market retraces. I'm not sure which time frame you originally took for this trending pairs, but when you see there's no trend anymore on these pairs, then that's when you look for an exit timing. Or simply, as you trail the profits, if the market hits a stop, then that will be an exit timing. That's basically what I do usually. Yeah. So I don't usually set the target, but I trail the profits usually based on a 5-minute chart or sometimes 1 hour chart. I trail the profits, and if the market goes bearish backwards, simply that's my exit timing. Alright, Danish says end of month, so maybe big traders taking profits and make markets range or drop. Yeah, it's the end of the month, so that's possible. Traders are fixing the profits, and yeah, we might see some market going against the major direction. That's possible. Yep. Let's see. Yep. Kakikero, you're welcome. You're welcome here. So I think, yeah, this is not really a. I think the market is not really active, or it's not really trending stably. Although we see some trending pairs, looks like on the lower time frames are retracing or ranging, or the price is at the near the resistance level. So when you see these kind of things, like when you see the market near the resistance level, or lower time frames are retracing, and this is not a good timing to trade. So I guess myself, I will take leave for the rest of the day today and come back to the charts on Monday. Yeah, no rush to trade. You know, you don't have to take trades every day. That's for sure. You take trades only when you find good setups. Otherwise, you might be losing. Okay, sure. Do I sound I have a cold or fever already? Maybe the microphone setting, or maybe it's kind of an echo sound, so maybe that's why. But yeah, thankfully, finally I settled in here in a new apartment. Finally, so I'm so relaxed now. Yeah, this week was almost like a relaxing week. Finally, I was able to relax and enjoy some restaurants and shoppings in the mall. So yeah, it's been quite tough month of July. Yeah, relocation is not really easy to do. You have to adapt to new culture, new customs, and yeah, things are a bit different. So yeah, finally my emotion is a bit settled down too. Let's see. Orvin says, I was faked out by gold 1 hour chart today, so staying away from now. We'll do backtesting session. Yeah, better to stay away. Yeah, even I see this Euro AUD, for example, it's about to break. I would wait in this case. It might retrace backwards. Let me see if there is any previous resistance. There is no previous resistance, but there are supports in the past. There are a couple of supports in this area in the past. So yeah, there are pending orders here. I would say there are stop losses and pending orders in this range. So unless the market breaks that range, better to wait. Yeah, so for myself, looking back my trades on the month of July, I haven't taken trades until the 15th. The 15th of July was the first trade of mine. And I think it was break even or some small profit. But yeah, for the first 2 weeks, I didn't take any trades. And that was because I was relocating to Dubai and I was at the hotel and looking for the new apartment to live in and negotiating with these contracts and everything. It was very busy. At the same time, the markets were not really in favor. It was ranging, retracing backwards. I saw some trending pairs on a forward chart or even 1 hour chart. I saw some pairs trending, but I didn't take these because I prefer a daily chart to follow. So yeah, so on the 15th I took a trade, and afterwards I think I've took this month maybe 5 or 6 trades only. So for the last 2 weeks I have taken 6 or 5 trades, and I guess that will be it for the month of July. So yeah, but I get some returns. I get some like 8% perhaps, 8% or 9% return for the month of July. So it was okay for the half month of performance. And I'm sure I will have more opportunities in the month of August because I can focus on trades more. But even so, even I don't take trades actively on the month of July, I'm kind of still safe in mind because the markets are there always. And whenever I see good setups, simply I pick the pair and trade. If the market reverses backwards, then simply exit. But as long as you follow the major direction, the market should go towards the direction and still run profits in that way. So, and also, yeah, psychology is important too. Yeah, Denish says opportunity to practice patience. Yeah, patience is really the key. Yeah, sometimes even if I see 3 confirmations, I don't take it. I don't take trade. Even the market is strongly trending and everybody seems to be trading that pair, I don't trade sometimes. In that way, you can practice patience too. Like this is actually one of the things that I practice also. I used to practice, not anymore, but I used to practice is at the it's kind of like my own way to monitor my patience is that, let's say you go to restaurant and you see the menu, and let's say you like this pasta a lot. You like the pasta a lot and you like this particular pasta a lot. So you're about to order the pasta, but instead of doing that, just close the menu and put it on the desk and look around and see how others are eating, ordering. And then maybe 2 or 3 minutes later, you open the menu again and see if you still like the pasta or not. And the interesting thing is that sometimes you pick something different. Maybe you change your mind and, oh, I want to go for steak. I want to go for the salad or pizza maybe. You know, the decision is changing over time because of our emotional changes. If you see the pizza looks very good than the pasta, then you might gonna go for pasta or pizza. So this is actually one of the things I was kind of practicing to cultivate the patience, or the, how to say, like I don't want to go for intuitive, like gut feelings. And I do the same in the Forex pairs. When I choose which one to trade, sometimes, oh, okay, this is trending, I don't want to miss it. Let's go to the lower time frames and just look for the 3 confirmations and trade. Okay, that's it. Right? I don't sometimes do that. Even if I see 3 confirmations, I let the time go. I let the time go maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and still see if I still want to trade on that pair or not. And sometimes I feel like I don't want to trade on that pair anymore, and simply I don't. And you won't regret by doing that. Even if you miss the chance by doing that, you can cultivate confidence and patience in yourself so that when you really find the opportunity next time, you can get that. You know, this is about the emotion or psychology, but yeah, we tend to catch something that is very, you know, very attractive, or something that is very exciting. We tend to jump into these, but this tendency is not likely in these Forex trades or any tradings. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's practice. You have to know technical analysis, but at the same time, this is also very interesting thing to observe yourself. you can practice it in the day-to-day life as well. Morrison says it's stunning that you can get these results in these markets almost withoutly. Yeah, just follow the rules and yeah, you can do that. You can just follow the rules and discipline and it's possible. So today, for example, today I woke up in the morning and screened the charts and I saw some trending pairs, but I didn't find any edges, and that's why I simply left these charts. And I didn't come back to these charts this afternoon because I was at the meeting, and also I did something. I need to do some paperwork and all these before I come to this live stream. So I only screened the pairs once today. But it's okay. If I can screen only once per day, then it's okay too. But if I have time, I will be screening more times per day, 3 to 5 times per day. I screen the charts so that I can have more opportunities. But I don't want to spend too many times to screen charts per day, because if you do it, then that's not time efficient. So possibly we want to have less screening time and less time to take to have a trade decision, and more profits should be expected. So yeah, I think that's also important. Link says, you're right, K. Euro AUD bounced off Kijun Sen and now going back up. All right, Euro AUD. Yeah, let's see in the 4-hour chart or the 1-hour chart. Yeah, looks like yeah, the market was going down earlier today on the live stream, and now it's going up. So just wait until the Kumo points up and Kijun Sen points upwards, and that will be a great time to buy. In this condition, technically, the Kijun Sen takes 26 candles to the past, so high is here, and the low for the last 26 candles technically was this one. Okay. So Kijun Sen is the mid price for the last 26 candles, high and low. So high is here and low is here. Right, so that means even the market goes up from here for the next 2 candles, let's say. Even the market goes up for the next 2 candles like this way. Even the market goes like this, it doesn't make Kijun Sen and Kumo. I mean, not Kumo. It doesn't make the Kijun Sen go up, because the market is still taking the low as here. But on the third candlestick, if you see the third candlestick here, before the breakout, Kijun Sen will take the low as this one, or on this candlestick low, and that will make the Kijun Sen point upwards. So if you know about the Ichimoku calculation, you know in how many hours the Kijun Sen will point up. In this case, in 3 hours, the Kijun Sen will go up without breaking the previous high. So simply you can come back to the chart 3 hours later, where Kijun Sen points upwards in the 1-hour chart, and then look for buy chance. In that way, you can just wait for these edges to come in a more efficient way. Okay, let's see. Subash says, hi Kay, where can I download the books perks post joining the Ichimoku community, please? Oh, Subash, you can come to my website, Ichimoku website over here. you can click on the below description, come to here and click on this button here, click here to join Ichimoku Discord. And once you click it, you can find the pop-up like this. And here, just click accept invite, and you can be in the Discord. Afterwards, you connect YouTube to Discord, and then you can get all the perks. Unless you connect it, you can find the perks, so please make sure to connect YouTube with Discord, and you can get all the perks. You can download these 3 books. In my Ichimoku community, you can find tons of archive videos in the past, and also many perks in there. Alright, Movie Hero says, for now, AUD Swiss franc looks bearish as you mentioned before. Alright, still bearish, so we can follow the bearish trend so far. David says, hi Kay, what's your desktop setup look like now? I have 2 screens, and I have two desks in front of myself, and I have this cable connected now. I'm using laptop with a 2 extra screens, and microphone connected, and also some lights in front, and that's it. Yeah, I will introduce this one also in my second channel, so you will see. Movie Hero says, it looks like when you live stream, it seems on the training. Yeah? On the job training, okay. Yeah. Let's see. Anne says, hello Kay, would you advise to keep the watch list small or just for all JPY pairs? I'm new to Forex and just want to find a way. Ichimoku is good because it contains already the set of rules. Yeah, if you're familiar with the JPY pairs, then you can have all the JPY pairs on the watch list and start checking charts in that way. But make sure you don't put too much. For myself, I recommend everyone to have the major pairs: Euro, USD, and Pound, JPY. Yeah, these pairs are major pairs, so you can have that watch list, because on the lower time frames it tends to be more stable. Okay, David says, thank you for the reminder, for the like button. Yeah, if you liked it, please press the like button before you leave. That would be great. Thank you for the reminder. Ryan says, is holding trades through the weekend a good idea? Yeah. If you have the stop loss to break even, or if you have the stop loss to at least like 30 pips above the position, then I think it's good. Sometimes when we have a big news over the weekend, we have the gaps in between Friday and Monday. And when it does, when the market goes down during the weekend, while the brokers are closed, on Monday, in the Monday morning when the market opens, when broker opens, the market starts like all the way down below, and first thing in the morning you might be in loss. So but if you have at least 30 pips of running profit, then that should be fine, or 30 pips of stop loss above the position over the weekend, that's safer. Rene says, could see EUROCAD is reversing, I think. EUROCAD, let's see. Daily chart EUROCAD is right in the Kumo now. It's simply ranging. So, but if you're scalping, you might be able to look for the sell chance in the lower time frame. So yeah, it is reversing backwards, and it might reverse back to this reversal line at 1.4778 level, but still bearish, so it might be bearish continuously. There was a previous support resisted, so this is a bearish for now. Potential bearish in the waves like this way. Terati says, how can I join the Discord server? Discord is for my Ichimoku community. So if you can see join button YouTube, that's where you can join on this Ichimoku community. And you can see all the details in this web page. So in there, there's a Discord, and you can get all the perks in this community. But unless you join the Discord, unless you join the membership, there's nothing on the Discord. Shamal says, are your videos in the community are the same videos in public? No, it's different. I have special videos in live stream archives for members only. Satya says, what is your profit percentage per month on average? It's in between 10 to 20% is the aim. 10 to 20% return per monthly is in average. In the month of June was not the case. In the month of June, I wasn't able to produce 10% return, but usually it's like that. David says, Kay, I really liked your violin play on their second channel. I demand more. You're very good at conveying emotion with the violin. Oh, really? You liked it? That's good to hear. Yeah, on my second channel, I've uploaded my violin play. That was towards the end of the days in Japan, Tokyo. Now I'm in Dubai, but because I relocated to Dubai. But before, when I was in Japan, Tokyo, I played the violin just to remember my memory in Tokyo or in Japan. So yeah, glad you liked it. Yeah, I will be playing more and more tunes and songs in my second channel. Okay, Johnny says Nifty 50 next week. Right, let me check Nifty chart. Okay, on the weekly time frame, this is still bullish. It's been consolidating for the last couple of months, but still bullish. The market is supported by this Tenkan-sen, and there is potential up move. And I think monthly chart is also bullish too. Yeah, as for monthly chart, this is also bullish, and it's about to break the round number. 16,000. Yeah, this is still bullish to me. All right, D Gray says pound NZD. All right, pound NZD. Let's see, pound NZD on the daily chart. Okay, looks to be ranging now. It's bullish, but it's kind of ranging. Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat. Chikou span too close. So looks like the market reversing back to Tenkan Sen or Kijun Sen here. Yeah, there was a trend line support, but looks like I think yeah, and it's about to break the previous resistance level. But if this is going to be a fake breakout, then the market will go down to Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, or this the trend line, and it might break anytime. Just be careful for the retracement in this case. Okay, let's see. Oh, Krishna, you liked the violin play also? Thank you for the comment. Yeah, I will play some other songs too. And it says pound CAD is bullish in the daily chart and bearish on the 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart bearish. What's better? Let me see. Pound CAD. Daily chart is not bullish. To me, this is ranging. The market was bullish, but for the last 3 days has been bearish, and this is the P wave. The highs are lower and the lows higher, and this is kind of P wave, and this is not a bullish market in the daily chart, so we can follow the short-term bearish trend. The market is squeezing within the P wave now. Yeah, so looks like overall markets looks to be very tricky. So I would be staying away, I think. Yeah, just I don't feel like trading. Actually, today, basically, I don't feel like trading, so I guess I will read some books afterwards. I will go to gym and work out and take a shower and most likely just relax. Okay, everyone, I guess I will be ending the live stream in about a few minutes. So yeah, once again, thank you for joining, everyone. I hope you have a great Friday today. So yeah, the things I talk about is universal, so hopefully you can apply on your day-to-day analysis, because my wish, my hope in this YouTube channel is for everyone to be able to take trades without myself. Otherwise, I won't be doing this. So yeah, so since I'm kind of settled down here in Dubai, I will be doing more and more second channel live streams, or I will upload on videos on my second channel. So please enjoy my Dubai life as well. Okay, so yeah, thank you for joining, everyone, once again. And yeah, I will see you on the next one. Until then, please stay healthy, stay safe, and stay gold. All right? Bye for now. Mata ne. I say mata ne, and that means see you in Japanese. So mata ne, everyone. Have a great weekend.